What the hell is that? It's a really high pitched sound. And it sounds really close as well. Fucking hell, what the hell is that? I've heard high-pitched sounds in the past, but in the past they've always sounded that they're like coming from a distance. But this sounds really close. Listen. That's just an aeroplane, that is. And look, I don't know what this sound is, but if any of you have got some hunch what the sound could be, please comment, please subscribe, and please don't hesitate to hit that like button. Thank you. What the hell is that?